I've done a few things today. Um, the main one has been actually verifying, well, yesterday it was verifying the model is actually loading up perfectly, as in whatever I save to my hard drive and I upload to another client, uh, that client interprets the model the same exact way that I saved the model. And they display it the same way. Um, that was a big thing, but I can't really show it. So I did not really make a video yesterday, but it was a pretty large feat in itself, which led to getting the dynamic maps to work properly. So now we had the density map, which shows you which faces are the smallest and the largest. So you can see the tiny faces here are red, and the largest faces are blue, dark blue even. I've added a few color schemes to change that around. So if you don't like one color scheme, you can go for another. Here's the heat, grayscale, and then there's the RGB and the rainbow ones are close, um, but they're there if you want them. The other thing that I worked on was a distance map. So you can see how far away you are from the center of the object. The darker it is, the closer it is to the center. The lighter it is, the furthest away it is from the center. The cube probably shows this the best. You see these spheres or circles, and they get darker in the center because the center of the square is the closest to the center of the object. And then there is another map called the face angle map, which the square or the cube is perfect for because all the sides have a distinct color associated with a 360-degree angle in the circle is hue. Hue is often represented from 0 to 360 degrees. So since we have four distinct sides on this square, we have four distinct colors, and then it goes white at the top, black at the bottom. To see this the best, we can look at a sphere. So here's a sphere. You can see it just gradually goes from white at the top to black at the bottom. And you can see the whole gamut of colors progressing from one to the other for the whole 360-degree spectrum. I could always make it emissive. And where's my lighting? I can turn down the lighting. There we go. The latest thing that I've started to work on is moving points. So before I could move the object, now I want to move the individual points. Now I have the transform controls that let me do it within the scene, but they're not wired up to actually move that point yet. I could just move the point through here, through the little sliders, and now you see the whole face is dragging with that point. Yeah, that's about everything I've got in terms of progress. Um, I'll say this: the little texture maps here are pretty cool to look at. So if I save this image, save, and can I open it up? There we go. So you can see what I've got all the triangles laid out for every face, and that's how they all map out. Although this is a pretty low resolution. I've got what is going on there? I've got higher resolution pictures as well. I think I have a higher one than this. Yeah, I think this is like 512 maybe. Yeah. All right, so that's it.